Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been so long, but today we have a really exciting video because it is a package opening, which is my favorite type of video to film because I love opening packages. I will be periodically reintroducing myself because it's been months since my last upload. So hello everyone, my name is Jamie and I love to make stuff with my hands. Today we're going to be opening a trade package from my lovely friend Julia, or Woozy Ju on Instagram, who's an amazing crafter and she's just so talented and her style is so magical.
Julia and I actually discussed this trade a while ago, and since I'm busy with college applications, she was so nice and she was kind enough to say that she wants to send her part first and then I can make my part of the trade whenever I have free time. You know, this is like an early Christmas gift for me and it's a huge motivation, especially since I'm super stressed right now about my future and everything, so this is amazing.
Without further ado, let's get started! Yay! Okay, so when I opened the box, it looks like this, and I saw the butterfly paper and it was so cute. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, this is so cute! Okay, look at this, guys. Like, little twin stars card. And I'm gonna go ahead and open this. I'm so excited! So the first thing is this super adorable little twin stars with a Christmas tree. And she even put rhinestones on it. Like, yay! So we got her business card. Here is all her information. You can find her on Instagram and Facebook, and she also has a shop that sells her super adorable creations, so be sure to check it out, guys.
And there is also a note that says, "To dear Jamie, I hope everything has arrived safely, plus even more that you liked it. Aw. I can't wait to see a reaction to it all. Sending lots of love and blessings. Love from Julia, Woozy Ju." Oh, thanks so much, girl, and I'm sure that I'm gonna love everything.
Look at this. This is the first thing that I pulled out. It's a Molong folder. I love Molong. It's such a chubby and adorable bunny. It's a pocket where you can put paper in it. I think this would be really useful for school since, you know, I have a lot of papers in school and I really need to store them somewhere. So thank you so much, girl. This is awesome. And by the way, Julia and I have really similar taste in styles. Like, we both love pastel pink. Everything in this box is like a pink theme, which is awesome.
It was awesome.
Next item in the box is this super dreamy and adorable unicorn bag. So this is a super cute pouch. It says, "I believe in unicorns," and I do. Okay, I love unicorns. They're my favorite animal, to be honest. So let's see what's on the inside. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! It's one of her creations. Oh my goodness, guys! Oh my gosh! This is so cute! Look at how glittery it is! This is a little twin stars clock, and I think it actually works if you put a battery in it. All of the numbers in the clock are blue, and then the clock itself was kind of a white color, but I kind of see a shimmer of pastel pink. I don't know, maybe it's just white. Maybe I'm just seeing things. Thank you so much, Julia. Next item is this bag of super cute flower confetti glitters. Look at these. Ah, I see Pusheen. Oh my goodness, look at this. Look at this, guys. It's a Pusheen socks. And this like space theme because of the planets and the shooting star. And there's like a heart and a star and a moon. This is so cute. This is too cute. I might just hang this on my wall instead of actually wearing them. Thank you so much, Julia. I love these. Another bag of confetti glitters. Sorry if this video is all over the place. I'm just pulling things out of the box because I'm excited, okay? Alright, this one is very interesting because it's a heart with a hollow heart inside. So, yeah. This is so dreamy. I'm obsessed with anything that has to do with mermaids and mythical creatures because I love the colors, you know? Oh my goodness, there's stuff inside. So first we have these scissors that are for nails. You can use them for nails, but I also think these scissors would be super useful in resin crafting because sometimes I needed some super small scissors to trim my resin pieces. And then we have a nail clipper. And then we have all these other supplies for nails. Oh, I see another Pusheen item. Oh my goodness, look at this. Is it a Pusheen shirt? Look at this cute tag though. Oh my goodness. And it says fancy. With the Pusheen that has a mustache and one of those glasses things. Oh my gosh, I love this. Wait, is there something in the back? Oh my goodness. Guys. I just found this in the back. Oh my gosh. It says super fancy. Look at this. It says super fancy and it has a unicorn with the Pusheen sitting on the unicorn with a mustache. Oh my gosh, Julia, I love this. Thank you so much. Next, we have, are you ready? This super cute pink pouch with little twin stars. Sanrio characters are just so dreamy. So, oh, look at this. I see a bundle of super shimmery ribbon. Ribbons are really useful, especially when packaging orders. If you bought from my shop before, you know that a lot of the time I use ribbons on my packages and they just add that extra sparkle and completion. It really makes the package look extra cute, so I love using ribbons. And this is pink and shimmery. So if this ain't perfect, I don't know what is. Next item is this. I'm not sure what this is. Look at this. I don't know, maybe it's like a resin supply or something. I'm not entirely sure. And then we have another resin supply, which is this phone ring. And you can make phone cases with these rings. Look at how precious they are. So cute and so pastel. More little twin stars. And this one is a washi tape. Look at this. Love the colors. Little twin stars actually has my favorite color combination because blue and pink just make wonderful colors, you know? I'm not gonna lie. Look at how dreamy this is. And then we have this, and this one is actually a lipstick. I love the color. Again, it's like a blushy pink. Ooh, look at this. Check this out. I'm pretty sure this is a mold or something. I think this is a mold. Next up, we have this bag of stickers. Look at how cute the packaging is. We have this candy pattern, castle in a snow globe, super dreamy potion, another candy, and another candy, because candy is life. This is a flower bottle, so cute. A jar of little gumballs, a bottle with little seashells, a circus cat inside of a snow globe, art lollipop. Thank you so much, Julia, for this dreamy bag of stickers. Check this out. It's the pearls. Oh my goodness. Look at, okay. One at a time, do not rush. Look at these arrangement of pearl stickers. And we have some, oh, these are Disney ones too. So I think this is Winnie the Pooh themed. Y'all have to look at this. This is her own design of character, and it's called Bubble Angels by Woozy Ichu. So we have all of these little bubble angels in different colors. Just too adorable. I'm sorry if I keep saying cute throughout this whole video. What else can I say? I have no capability, okay? My English skills are like 2nd grade level. And the stickers are also good quality too. If you can see, it's super shiny. Unicorns ate my homework. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It's a notebook. Oh, it's pink on the first page. Alright, are you guys ready to get right onto the handmade creations? Because I am so ready. Let's go! First of all, we have this, and I can already see it, but I'm trying not to see it. That doesn't make any sense, but and let's go ahead and open this. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, guys! Ah! Take a look at this! Oh my goodness! This is the definition of a dream. So dreamy. I told you that Julia and I have similar tastes in styles because this is exactly what I like. Next, I can tell this is a phone case. Let's unravel this ribbon. Oh my goodness! Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh! I love this so much! It has an iridescent background and it's little twin stars. I don't know, this camera is not doing justice, I swear. One of those shaker phone cases. Ah! Check out this dreamy dreamy liquid waterfall phone case. There's also rhinestones, and I think she decorated this herself. And there's a little star wand, some little pearls and rhinestones all over the border. Just to add that extra glitter because we can never have enough of glitter. Everything about this is just magical. Julia, thank you so much. Next, we have another mystery bag. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I'm sorry that I'm speaking so loud, but oh my goodness. This is literally life. It's a piping bag with pink frosting. And look at how, okay, first of all, this is so realistic. I feel like I can just pipe the frosting out. Oh my gosh, I'm not making any sense today. And there's a cute little ribbon with a rhinestone on top. And the bag is like really good quality too. It just feels like, oh, and there's a little cookie. Oh my gosh, I'm dying. I am dying. And it's on a necklace too. Such a cute idea. Especially with the ribbon, I think it adds an amazing and soft touch to the charm as a whole. And the rhinestone as well. Super cute charm. She is so talented, guys. I don't know how you make this. On to the next surprise, shall we? Yes, we shall. Ooh, a double mystery because we have 2 items in this bag. And I think these are clay charms. Let's open them. Oh my gosh, you guys! It's one of her cakes! Her pastel cake! I saw these on her Instagram and I immediately fell in love because first of all, we got rainbow sprinkles. Okay, rainbow is everything. You cannot deny that, especially if it's pastel. And second of all, the cake has strawberry bits inside. Doesn't this just look so yummy? I kind of want to eat it so bad. I wish this were real. Look at how much cream it has. The more frosting, the better. This is too cute. I'm gonna hang this on my pencil case and just look at it in school while I'm hungry, just to make myself more hungry. Ooh, it's an ice cream! And it's a dust plug. Perfect. Just by noticing these little details, you can tell how much attention that Julia pays to her work. It's just magical, okay? Ice cream and cake, perfect combination. Now, my ladies and gentlemen, we are ready for the last reveal of the day. We have this bag. Let's open this ribbon.
Oh my gosh, look at how cute this is!
My camera just overheated, but I'm back now. So we have a ribbon charm. Oh, I mean a bow charm. And it's wire wrapped with a little bead. You are not gonna believe this. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, this is so cute! Oh my goodness! Oh my... I can't help it. Look at how adorable this is. Aw, it even has little flowers. Julia, this is just way too cute. And it's perfect. Look at how shiny and perfectly domed, glazed it is.
It's really hard to glaze things with UV resin when the item is round because sometimes spots tend to be missed or they tend to be bumpy. But this is literally perfect. So I don't know how you do it, but
Julia pays such amazing attention to details. The flowers are even domed, with little types of glitters on the back. Different glitters on the back and front. Even the little paws and the dots on the mouth and the rainbow ombre. Did you mix this yourself with clay? Because if you did, you are absolutely amazing. So hard to get ombre on clay. She not only did ombre, she did a rainbow ombre on a charm that is this big. If this is not the definition of perfection, then I don't know what is. I love it so much, Julia. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness! Marshmallows! Oh, cotton candy. Cotton candy! Oh my gosh, and these are earrings. When I saw this on her Instagram, I was basically shook. Her cotton candies are phenomenal. First of all, this is so soft. Second, the cotton doesn't fall off. Third, it's made with the unicorn horn for the holder thing. And fourth, it has rhinestones. And fifth, it has glitter. So, like, this is perfect. This is even more perfect than any real life cotton candy that I've ever eaten. These are so freaking cute. Last, this is a door. I can already see. No way. No way. Okay. Oh my gosh. Guys. It's a freaking... Oh my gosh. I'm like, seriously? I am so shook. Oh my goodness. Look at the patterns on the back even. We need a little bit of light to see the pattern. This is... Julia, you're just beyond amazing. You are beyond amazing. Like, I want your skills. So please give me your skills. Thank you. Oh my gosh. It has my initials. And she put 2 eye pins. It kind of looks like a bell on the door or something. Everything about this is just so precious and also creative. Like, I've never seen anything like this. Julia has really creative ideas. You all should hop onto her Instagram right now and give her a follow, because if this is not amazing, then I don't know what is. Check out the details. We have little flowers, and each of the flower have pearl centers. Like, my heart. And it even has this lock that she did with a wire and micro marbles. Did you make the flowers out of clay? This is phenomenal. I'm gonna treasure this forever. Oh, and even the color combination, like, let's just talk about this. 2 of my favorite colors and mixed together is purple. Yeah, I am speechless. Okay, I'm done with life. Life is good.
And that is the end of today's package opening, guys. Thank you so much, Julia. Your creations absolutely blew me away. I'm so shook right now. I just love her work, so go ahead and give her a follow, and be sure to buy from her, especially buy these stores, and buy everything else, like these cotton candy. I don't know which one is my favorite item. Which one is your favorite item? Let me know down in the comments below, and also show her some love. Go like all her photos, go comment on them. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my videos. I know this is super long, and I know I've been really inactive, and I'm really sorry about that. Have fun on Christmas and have a happy 2019, okay? Bye, guys!